Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to reset the picture settings to default on your Samsung Odyssey G6. To do it, click on the button on the back of your monitor. Go up and press on it. Now, go down until you find Picture. Go to the right, and then you can just go up a little bit and you'll find Picture Reset. That doesn't reset the full monitor settings. There's a different video about it. This only resets the settings in this category, Picture category. When I click on it, I need to go to the yes, so yes must be highlighted in blue, and then click on OK. Now the settings will reset. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.